Good night, everybody. I was I was watching this tutorial in YouTube about Blender on how to, rig this robotic arm, and I like I ended with this result. So I wanted to share how I did solve the issue, you know, and let's see. I'm pressing another button. Sorry. Okay. The problem is that I didn't took care of setting the like in this part. I just added the cylinders without following quite throughout the tutorial, and I ended with this result in which the origin is in the middle. In, Here's the same result. So that's the problem. So when you rotate the cylinder, you end with this. Look at this. So to fix it, I select the cylinder and I go to the edit mode and select one edge. Then I will add a loop. Probably if you are an expert in Blender, you know a better way. I'm not sure this is the way I did it. Once the thing is here and selected, I choose cursor to select it, which you saw how it was moved from here to here. Then I went to object mode again, and if you see the cursor was out of place again. So I went back, and since the loop is still selected, I did the same operation. Now it's back again. And now I went to object and select set origin, with the origin is this yellow point. So object set origin to 3D cursor. Look at this. Now it is here. We are going to do the same thing for this cylinder. Edit mode. With this, we'll add some loop. Right over here. Then cursor to selected. This is the cursor. This circle with red and white. Back to object mode, and again with object menu, set origin to 3D cursor. Now when you rotate the arm again, you can see it's now fixed. So that's a way you can understand the 3D cursor and the origin and their relation. So hope it was useful for someone. Thank you very much, and see you later.